Hey, welcome everyone. We're back for the good old New York Open. Sorry I was late a few minutes, but I'm here finally. So, Marco, good to see you. Hey there. I think we're gonna go to 83 most likely. So, yeah, get prepared for the 83 level. It's pretty much the next target. Well, yeah, somewhere in the 80s at least. So, let's see, what do we have? Yeah, should be going there. Should be going there to the 80s. I mean, reaching for that new week opening gap liquidity would be making sense, I think. Where's the 7 a.m. line? There it is. Taking some liquidity here as well. So yeah. Let's see how it goes. We have about 15 seconds, something like that, until they open. So let's see what it does. Yeah, market is open. Could see some liquidity spikes in both ways, I guess. It can also sweep some more liquidity to the downside. Is it going or what? I don't know what the hell is going on, but all right, at least it went up. I was in a trade on a funded account and it hardly closed down the position. I still have to check on ghost trades. Oh, there you go. Still going up. Orders, positions. All right, I have nothing. Sorry guys, now I'm reading the chat. Rasmus, hey, Tom on Bulenox, it didn't give me 90%. It should be. So if you go to the account sign up, you have to choose option 1 account, and you have to click back and forth between a few accounts. Just type in the code tomsabo and you click back and forth, and it should be updating to $17. But I'm gonna check it out for the 50K. Option 2 accounts are not good with the tomsabo code. You have to choose option 1, and there's no discount for the 10K accounts, unfortunately. So no discount for 10K. Let's go this morning for I got it worked. Okay. Good morning, Don Totten. Do you have an affiliate code? I don't have a code. I mean, there is a code. It's in the description, Don Totten. It's FTT_30 for 30% discount. Now it does. All right. Great, Rasmus. And thank you so much for the support. Thank you, Rasmus. So, Don Totten, there is a link in the description. If you would like to support the stream, you can, if you would like to shop at Fast Track Trading, click on the link. And you can use the FTT_30, which gives you a one-time, I mean, not one-time, multiple time 30%. But there's another code, B5GO. It's down there also. If you want to purchase 5 account, so get 5, get 1 for free. Buy 5, get 1 for free. That's the code, basically, B5GO. And if you go with the 25K accounts, you're going to get 1 for free. That's $105. But otherwise, use the code FTT_30. Yeah, 17.50. It works great. Thank you guys, by the way. I'm really, really, really grateful for using my code. Thank you so much. Hey, Akram. How's it going? Good morning, Congo again. What's happening? Or should I call you Basikana Nekongo? I like the name. All right, we took out the new week opening gap finally. I think this was at least one of the final pieces to be able to move on. Let me delete some lines that are irrelevant for now, since London session has done its thing. So if we look higher on the 1 hour chart, yeah, I mean, the NASDAQ didn't do anything special. It just went up to rebalance the new week opening gap. I would like to see an up close candle above 511-ish area. But if it wants to go higher, I don't really want to see this go higher, but I think there are some levels here that are very interesting. I mean, look at this. Especially this one, relative equal highs at the 760s. It's not that super accurate, but I'm going to go with the 760 as buy side. So buy side liquidity 760. And the next is at, well, it's here. At 804 buy side liquidity. So I would go for that if it wants to continue. Obviously, we have one more at 632, the swing high. I like that too. So just going up, exactly. Just up, up, up. So it's going. The question remains, you know, now this was, hold on, let me change this. That's just the 7 a.m. threshold. The midnight level is this. So since the midnight, if we're anticipating a bullish daily candle forming, this could have been down here, the manipulation, sorry. This down here, the manipulation phase. And now the distribution. So there's a high chance that we can continue above the 600s. Look at that. We have some good levels up there. So if this is the distribution phase, then, you know, we could be having a bullish AM session. Huh. So it's going up for now. It's going up for now. Let's see how far. All right, let's see. Up to the 20s now. I don't know how far it will go. I would definitely like to see some sort of a retracement maybe. Just a second. Just a second. Hey, Komodo, what's happening? Trying to buy via card. Bulenox not working. The card payment is not working. Why is it not? Let me check. I'm gonna buy a. I'm gonna try to buy also an option 1 account with my MasterCard. All right, let me check it. Okay. Okay, I'm buying a 50K evaluation. All right, saving. Your payment has been successfully processed. I can actually show you. Here it is. Here you are. It shows that it worked. Your payment has been successfully processed. I just bought an evaluation account, so it's working. At least on my end. Yeah, they use Rhythmic, so you can connect with NinjaTrader. Yes, they have NinjaTrader license, so yeah. So Komodo, on my end, the credit card payment worked. So maybe check your card or something. I'm not sure, but on my end, it was okay. So yeah, you just have to choose Rhythmic because there's nothing else, and you can log in with Rhythmic Trader. You have to download Rhythmic, of course, and that's it. We are pretty much ranging here. I'm gonna go. Okay, look at this 1 minute candle. Excuse me. Taze, hey there. How's it going? How's it going? So far, the new week opening gap is going to be creating some sort of support here, I think. But we should be heading onto, well, yeah, all the way to the 580s, 90s up there. I'm gonna put a line here. Good, all right. Just took a stop loss with very, very small touch after. Oh yeah, that usually happens. That usually happens. So I would be anticipating the 580s for now. Yeah, I hate this too. Listen, it happens to me every time on stream as well. It just takes me out, and with one tick or two ticks or whatever, the day was mixed results, I must say. I made some profits on one of my funded accounts, and it was a new funded account. And don't tell anyone, I want to keep this a secret, but one funded account is blown. I blow up a funded account off stream, an Apex, but don't tell this anyone. And I was on tilt. So I got tilted with micros, and what can I say? Even with micros you can blow the account. The other account, I made about $500 on a funded, which is a good thing. And the rest of the funded accounts are good. Yeah, more manipulation. And you know, between New York and London, price was pretty much like, I mean, I saw 10, 15 point spikes like in 1 millisecond, like boom. Yeah, I observed that, Taze. Absolutely. A lot of manipulation. A lot. So that's why we have to be extremely careful, I think. Extremely careful. Anyway, I'm going to continue to trade on this evaluation account. So I just added a position. I don't know, what am I doing here? I'm going to target the 80s if it goes. And I'm going to add one more to the trade down at 500-ish. So that's it. So this is going to be, oh, you don't see it. This is going to be my final entry. I added one more. And I averaged it at 510-ish. I want to see this go up to the 80s. Only evaluation. I got tilted on the funded, so I might not go into trade funded. Do you have Instagram to speak? I have an Instagram. It's the same as my channel name, tomsabo biz, like it says down here. Tomsabo biz. I mean, I rarely use Instagram, but I'm there. I mean, you can send me a message, whatever. Or you can find me on Twitter or X, sorry. I'm gonna be more on X, to be honest, because I got a little bit lazy with that, and I have to do some updates. All right. So far, it's it could be going. Who knows? Can you connect Rhythmic Trader to TradingView? No, Rasmus, you can't. You can't. And unfortunately, Bulenox doesn't have TradingView yet. Hopefully, they will implement it. But no, you can't. Ask because in 2-3 weeks I want to visit Hungary, and if you have free time, we have a drink. Oh, definitely. All right. Just follow me or send me a message, whatever, and we'll contact. All right. Always happy to help or have a coffee with anyone who has some free time. Never did that before, but you know, have to start once in a while. Meet the fam. No, you're welcome. If you're staying in Budapest, let me know. Maybe I can give you some directions, what things to visit or whatever. I mean, I don't live in Budapest, but I can tell you some good places to go. So you use Rhythmic Trader? No, this is Quant Tower. So I use Quant Tower. It's gonna take me out. Damn. with Quantower, you can connect through the Rhythmic Trader. With the Rhythmic Trader credentials. You still have to download Rhythmic Trader, of course. You have to accept the data. You have to mark the data feed and everything. But with your Rhythmic credentials, Quantower can log in, which is a good thing. I think so. So that's a good thing. I still anticipate that we are going up there, all the way up to the 600s. And I'd like to see, yeah, I'd like to see not just the 580s, but, you know, way up there actually. My final TP would be at the 700s. Let's see if it's going to be a super bullish day. It could be super easy. Super easy, super bullish, right? So I'm gonna hold this for now. Why is it not? Oh, I know why. Okay, I can't. Okay, I have to modify this. Modify. And now I can connect these. All right, now it's connected. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel, by the way, guys. Let's push it to the moon. You know how it is. To the moon. All right, I think I should be putting this to break even, right? I'm putting this to break even, and I can't be that stupid not to close at least a portion of this. So I closed the portion, and now I'm just letting it ride. Let it ride. At least we have some movement, which is good. I mean, we had movement in London session too, but you know how it goes. Maybe my stop loss is a little bit too tight. Yeah, could be dropping back down. Doesn't matter. Okay, spiked lower. Let's see if it wants to continue back up there. You know what? I'm gonna give it some more room to breathe. This account is looking good anyway for today, so I'm gonna give it some. If it takes me out, it's fine. Should be perfectly okay. But I want to see this go. If it trades above the 50s, I'm gonna move my stop to 12.50. Otherwise, I don't think. I don't know. Look at that. Now it's coming down. All right. It's just coming down. Expired card. Oh, no problem, Komodo. It's no problem there. It's absolutely okay. Everything's fine. Nothing, no damage. Nothing is wrong. And I should be thanking you for even considering using my code. So thank you for the support again. So yeah. Look at that taking me out. All right. Second part of the position has been taken out with break even. So let's go down to the 1 minute and see what it can do. Spiked up. It can go down to the 476 maybe to sweep more liquidity. But we'll see. We shall see. Still waiting, looking for some good levels. The new week opening gap has been rebalanced, so that's official by now. Midnight level is down there. So we are in a bullish daily candle right now. Question remains, are we going to stay bullish for the day? All right. I traded Bulenox accounts. My rhythmic trader look completely different and impossible to navigate because I don't use rhythmic trader. I use Quantower. So this is Quantower here. This is what I use. I'm connected. You see, I'm connected to Bulenox, Top Step, Apex currently, but I am connected to Take Profit Trade. Top Step, Bulenox, Apex. I have a MyFundedFutures connection too. I have Take Profit Traders. So that's how I do it. You don't have to use M Futures Rhythmic connection. You can just go with Rhythmic. So anyway, this is Quantower. Sorry. So I'm using Quantower. Good old Quantower. Let's see how far this one wants to go. $3.76 looks like equal lows. Kinda. Almost. Oops, sorry. Almost looks like it. 76. Almost. I wouldn't say my favorite equal lows, but yeah, now it on the 5 minute picked up some liquidity on this leg. J-Man, when does Bulenox sale end? It's gonna end on Saturday. The 90% sale is gonna end on the 10th of Saturday. At least that's what it says on the back office. I don't know what's the next sale gonna be, but it ends on Saturday. For now, that's what we see. The Apex sale is ending tomorrow, I think. So, Peter, hey, is the max withdrawal for MyFundedFutures 50k is 1200, but after the third withdrawal, there's no cap. But I think for one account, it's all right. You don't need to buy Quantower; it's free to download. If you Google Quantower, you can download it for free. Rasmus, it's free. So that's it. So yeah, online safety. Hello, online safety. What's going on? What is the actual activation fee? 148 for Bulenox for the 50k. No problem. I'll grab some more. Yeah. Saturday it should be working Eastern Standard Time whole day. That's what we see now on the back end. So hopefully it will stay up even longer. Look at this. Are we going up? Seems like it wants to. All right. Was a little bit tempted to jump into a long again, to go for those 580s up there. You know what? We only live once, so I jumped in with the micro, and I'm going to add one more. My target would be up there at 80, and I'm going to add one more to this trade. So that's why I don't have a stop loss yet, but I'm gonna put a hard stop. This is not my final stop loss. Obviously, if it goes down, I'm gonna be adding more down at 16 or 17 or something like that. I got caught up in London on 3 evals, but they are not blown. All right, no more London trading for me. Never say never, you know, online safety. Never say never. There is always an opportunity. If you see an opportunity, just take it. You know, if the universe wants you to take it, just take it. All right. So obviously, this is not my final stop loss. I'm still waiting for price to go lower, reprice somewhere at the 30s. I'm going to be adding one more at 29. All right, I'm going to be adding one more at 29. If it goes down to reprice. No more. No more. There was a game like 15 years ago or something, or 20 years ago. It's called Painkiller. It was like an FPS shooter game. It was super crazy. I like video games, you know, guys, and I played that. It's a guy comes back from hell to kill like monsters or something like that. You didn't need to think too much in that game. You just have to shoot everything that moves. So that's simple. And the guy said in that when he got shot or something, or anyway, something like that, like he said, "Nevermore." But he had a special voice for it. How he said it, "Nevermore," like nevermore to die. Nevermore. All right. I have to modify my stops. Of course, it doesn't do that. Okay. I'm gonna put it manually to the 78s. So I added one more. I DCA'd, guys, but only once. One is allowed, right? I DCA'd once. Okay, it seems like it wants to go lower. Damn it. Oh man, are you serious? Are you really doing this with me, NASDAQ? I'm gonna have to eat this. Back to square one. Back to square one with this. Okay. Alright, good going. Nice move, Tom. Great trade. Thank you. You're welcome. What the hell is going on here? Are we going down or what? Feels like that's it for the plan at 580. Tell me this is not huge volatility. This is really, really, really big volatility here. I think one more is going down. Yeah, it's typical, you know, that happens. The market makers, you know, they are doing this with me. It's their fault. It's the market makers. Okay, swept liquidity. Look at that. Swept a little bit of liquidity. How far can it drop, I wonder? Or is it gonna drop at all? Maybe not. All right, let's see. All right, enter to another long. Maybe I'm trading a little bit aggressive. I know I'm gonna get punished for this. I still want to bring this account somewhere green, hopefully. So no DCA currently. Actually, what I'm gonna do, which could be a good idea, is maybe if it goes up here, I'm gonna take down one position, and I'm gonna peel down one more up there. If it goes up, I could be totally offside here. Totally offside. So my bank cards are even getting canceled because they're always empty. Because no, this year the market must. Yeah, you have to get that tuition back from the market, man. You have to. Let's go, Komodo. Yeah, I know how's that. It's it happens. I had a terrible accident before. I usually trade 1 mini and traded 10. Luckily, stop loss triggered, but you lost. What? Abs, you lost 5K on PA. Yeah, I can imagine that it would have been super scary. I can imagine that it had to be. Oh man, look at this. I don't know what the hell is going on, but it's crazy. Something is absolutely off. Trading condo. I'm done for the week. Yeah, you should just be careful, you know. That's all. You have to be careful. Because this is just, you know, these markets right now, I mean, it's super dangerous. I think it's like walking on a bomb field. I'm not getting it for 14 point. It says 24 USD. Which account is that? The 50K, you get it for 17.50. The 25K, let me check. Bulenox. The 25K should be 14.50. On my end, it's working. $14.50 for the 25K. Maybe you chose the option 2 account. Or you typed tomsabo 1. Make sure to type tomsabo. Maybe the tomsabo 1 code is only giving you 83%. Let me check. So just type option 1. Okay. Just type tomsabo. Don't type tomsabo 1. So don't type any number. Just tomsabo. It should be working. It shows that it's working. Eat or blow. Option 1, 25K. It should be giving you the $14 deal. Tomsabo, yeah. So the tomsabo 1 is still at the 83% discount. The tomsabo 2 is only for option 2 accounts, but it only has 45%. So the option 2 accounts only works with 45% discount currently, which is the end of day trading account. But if you're spending that money, I would suggest you can go with MyFundedFutures because it's cheaper and that has no activation fee. But the option 1 accounts are definitely the big deal with Bulenox. Okay, great. All right. Let's go, everybody. I want this to go higher. I anticipated the 580s. My crystal ball told me that 580. I might have to throw it out, you know, after this. But But that's what it said. Oh, look at that. It's having a hard time. Super hard time. Oh. It's not doing it. Just do it. No, Tom. I'm tired of blowing. Want to YOLO pass, risk less, end up overheating, win big or blow. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I understand. I understand, Komodo. Yeah, definitely on the funded account, you have to scale it down. You have to go small size. Push. Come on, J-Man, push it. We need to push this. Oh man, I'm starting to go crazy here if it's not gonna push. I'm moving my stop a little bit closer in case something crazy starts to happen. All right, I'm moving it to break even because I can't deal with the stress right now. I just can't deal with the stress, guys. It's gonna take me out. We tried. Look at this. Wicked me out. Look at that. To the tick. Now it's gonna go. Now it will go. It is gonna go now. 100%. Wicked me out. Look at this. It's ready. I'm gonna go crazy on this. Alright, I'm jumping back in. I don't care. I don't care because you know how I am. I'm crazy. I like to go crazy here. Let's see. Wicked me out. It wicked me out here and I said, no, NASDAQ, no. No, we're not finished. We're not finished yet, NASDAQ. You know. Maybe you finished with me here. I'm not finished with you. So we're just gonna keep on playing this game, you and me, NASDAQ. We're just gonna do this forever until the end of times. You wick me out, I re-enter until my account gets blown. So that's what we're gonna do day in, day out. And NASDAQ now responds to me, oh really? Okay then, let's wick out your stop loss now, again. And NASDAQ right now, whispering to my ear, here it comes. That's what you wanted, Tom. You asked for it. So here comes the wick. You deserve it, you gambler. FOMO. This was a FOMO trade. I still believe it will go higher at some point, but I don't know what the hell is it doing now. It's too funny. Same here. Let's go online safety. The eval to pass, you need 5 days, yes. But the profit per day can be, yeah, you can YOLO it 1 day, but you have to push the button for 4 days. So you can pass it in 1 day. Exactly. So you can pass the Bulenox accounts in 1 day, but you have to push the button with, for example, 1 micro for 4 more days. And after you have the 5 days, you can request the activation. F you, NASDAQ. Don't worry, guys, I'm not swearing or anything. It was just for fun. Obviously, this market right now wants to completely destroy me. It was my fault. Actually, I can bring this back. Don't worry. I can bring this back super easy. Super easy, guys. Quick scalp, you know, anytime. Super easy. Come on. I entered to a short to scalp the low of that wick. With a little bit more micros than I usually do. Told you I'm gonna bring it back. I told you. You NASDAQ, you didn't listen to me. And that's what you get. I knew. 55 to 41. That's it. I knew you want to go for this 38 level because I was eyeballing with this level too, but anyway. I told you, NASDAQ, you're gonna pay for this. And now you pay. Check how much you have lost on the market, but we still want to babysit 20 USD. Yeah. By the way, it's a good thing. Please swear at it, Tom, because I'm swearing at it and it's still not listening. All right, I will. But so what I want to say is I treat this, especially because of YouTube, as a business. So I treat this whole thing, what I do here, as a business, not just because of trading, but the time I'm spending here. I love to be here, by the way, with you guys. So this whole thing for me is a business. Now, spending a lot of time, just like Cami Capital said in his latest video, spending too much time for me on evaluation accounts is not worth it, because I want to make quote unquote real money, although I know it's demo accounts and simulated and everything, but I want to make real money. So the best would be if I would mainly trade funded accounts on YouTube, right? That would be the goal. So not just going crazy with evaluation accounts, but to trade funded accounts. Now the funded accounts, I'm having much less trades, right? But the evaluation accounts, I just got to the point in the past few months that I don't want to spend too much time. Like, if there's a very good sale, for example, now with Bulenox or Apex, whatever, cheap upfront cost, of course, I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to do crazy things, which is not good as building up bad habits. But on the funded accounts, I only take the A+ setups. I definitely think like 10 times over if I should take a trade or not. At least that's what I should be doing, right? Definitely way less trades on the funded accounts. And I'm not looking for home runs. I'm not looking to make $1,000 on each account. I'm not copy trading 10 accounts because that's too much stress for me. I can't handle it. Some traders are copy trading 10, 20, 200, 500, 2,000 accounts. I can't. I'm trading them separately. So obviously I don't want to waste too much time on the evaluations, but I do what I can. I'm starting to buy tomorrow. All right, let's go. I'm now a Ninja Trader, Sim 101. That's good. Hey, online safety, that's still good. I used to do that a lot of times. So Let's see what it does. Spike down. No major structure shift. And I don't see anything special happening here. It actually poked into that fair value gap. I like this indicator. This supply and demand zones. Pretty interesting. I do like it. So seems like it's still going up. It could be still a bullish day. All right. Do we buy YM now? Any? Well, I don't know. Let me look at it. It still looks a little bit bullish to me, to be honest. I mean, yeah, I would go with more bullishness. This is just a 1 hour, but it seems like it might want to break higher, rebalance this range at 39,700 to 750-ish area. But I don't trade it, so I just took a quick look at it. Alicia, good morning. Good to see you. I wish there were days that the market could be fast. Yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely, Komodo. Have you been trading your FTT account? No. No, honestly, I don't even trade my take profit trader. There's so many accounts I have to trade. I wasn't touching my MyFundedFutures evaluation account. I need to get my stuff together, you know. I was too much focusing on the Bulenox and the Apex funded accounts in the past few days. And after Monday, I mean, what I saw in liquidity, I thought that I have to be real. I blow one Apex funded account today. So I'm tilted, guys. Now, currently, I am on tilt. I blow one Apex funded account. And I just don't know what to say. But keep it a secret. I don't want to tell anyone. But I blow it. Feels bad, to be honest. Feels bad. No, it's all right, Alicia. I have 3 more, I think, or 4. And I have 1 more almost ready to be done. King of Yellow. No, I don't want that. No, I'm not funded. I almost got funded with them, but then the same thing happening to me with MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. The more I want to get funded with them, the more harder it gets, because I always mess up everything. I mean, with the MyFundedFutures, I just blew 2 funded accounts in the past 2 months. I got the account, and then I blew it, and I don't know what the hell. And I can keep the Bulenox accounts, and I can keep the Apex account. And you know why? I mean, quote unquote, keep it. I mean, hopefully getting to a payout. I got to a payout with them. Why? Because in my head, you know, I'm chilled because I keep saying that if I blow it up, it's easy to get funded again, which is true. So anyway, whoa. And there it is. We just got lower. Did we take it out? Or we didn't? Is it gonna be a double bottom? I entered to a short. I might close it. If it's gonna be a double bottom, I'm not interested. Oh man. Ah. It's going back up there. I fear. I think. Oh, you guys don't see it. All right. Let me show you. It's a scalp. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. You know what? I'ma just close it. Yeah, I closed it. I don't care. I don't care. I'm on tilt. So pardon me there. Hey, DCA gang. Crypto Panda, good morning. Good to see you. What's happening, Crypto Panda? Yeah, sure, Alicia. Any advice I can give you? I'm happy to share anything. Any info? Doing great, Parminder. How you doing? How you doing? John D is here in the house. You blow your account. Hey, Parminder, I'm gonna show you something. I mean, hopefully it will ease up your pain a little bit. Not that I'm super proud of it, but look at this. Today I blow an Apex funded account. Boom. So don't worry, it happens. Look at this. Boom, negative 2,500 bucks. I blew it. I was up $1,204 and boom. So trust me, it's in the cards. It's in the cards. But don't tell anyone. I don't want this to get out. I have 5 TPT Pro accounts ready to trade by tomorrow. Nice. Let's go. I always copy trade, but lately have not found it profitable. I keep blowing that. I think you have to maybe size down a little bit, especially at these markets. You know, at these markets, you have to go. We feel proud just by seeing you. All right. So just size down. Do you trade your funded accounts individually? Yes, I trade them, especially at these market conditions. I trade every funded account separately. If I would copy trade them, I would go absolutely crazy. I can't handle it right now mentally. It's too much stress. It's just too much for me right now to handle it. So I can't do it. I just can't. I'm not worthy. You know, I have a limit order at 53. If it gets triggered to go long, if it gets triggered, I go long. There's the limit order. I'm only risking like 60 bucks on it with 1 micro. But my goal is to, you know, the train is gonna leave the station without me. I'm just letting you guys know. You see? It's already going without me. What a bummer. Alright. Just to make sure I don't miss the train, I enter the giving me a little bit more risk. Of course, now it goes to my level. But because it's just a micro, my goal is again to go up to those highs again. So, let me show you. Sorry. There it is. Here it is. Size down. You have to size down and trade them individually. That's a must. That is a must. And I'm gonna get taken out here. I'm telling you, if it goes down again, I think it wants to. I'm just gonna close it and dude, it is gonna go down. Yeah. Closing. Change my mind. I changed my mind when I saw the 15-second chart. And I saw that we have these relative equal lows down here at 405. My trigger was the 15-second chart. Not that I really care, but the way I saw these candles printing, I thought that okay, it might want to go one more time, but if not, I'm only risking like 50 bucks. So it's gonna be just fine. Press the like button, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Alicia. Went super aggressive, you know. Super duper aggressive. Also, subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer to 3,000 subscribers. Only 180 to go. Oh my. This is looking bad again. What is going on here? Where is the draw on liquidity? Who knows? I think it's down there. Should be down there. Now for the short term. Otherwise, it should be going up to 580. What is this doing, man? This day. I'm just chopping myself up here. Oh, man. I was really hoping for that drop to those equal lows. I only have this one position, but I don't really trust it for now. Yeah, that's one micro, but if I win, I can make $100 on it. No, I don't use it, Alicia. I don't use level 2 data. Yeah, no news, choppy day. That's what usually happens. I might look into the level 2 data because more and more people keeps talking about it, that it is very useful. Especially for scalping. So I might look into that. For now, I'm just, I mean, these are the market conditions where you get yourself chopped up. With no news. It's 49 for depth of market on trade await. I'm thinking about getting in. Yeah, I heard some info that that some traders are using it. Oh, sorry, CryptoPanda. I just see that you wrote there. Blowing up is part of the game. Just don't get used to it. Yeah. How many points to get 100 on micro? So 10 points is $20. So that's 50 points. So I entered at 52. My TP is at, so it's not going to be 100 bucks, but it's going to be like 90 something, including the commissions. So commission is $2.5, I think, on this. So should be about 90 something dollars if it goes to TP. Okay. This is just crazy right now. This is crazy. This whole thing is just crazy. Makes me feel like I don't want to trade at these conditions. I'm just giving back everything to the market, and this happens all day. All day. Bulenox comes with level 2 data. I can use the volume profile with it. Oh, that's good. I never tried it. That's a good info. All right. This is just getting annoying here. Great. Yeah, it seems like it might want to break higher, which is okay because why not? And I think I'm out. Come on, just take me out. Take me out. Yeah, that's it. All right, we're out. Great. So where do we go from here? Let me know. Didn't go for the relative equal lows down there. All right. Scalping is not easy. Jumped in with the micro. Again. Targeting up there, the 550s maybe. I might add to it. Oh, you guys don't see it, sorry. So I have no stop loss currently. I'm gonna set a stop here. And I might just going to add one more to it. Yeah, right here. I can still add to it if I want to. To go through that 54 level, 55. It could be repricing lower to 495. Maybe adding more to it at 495. I don't know. Check DM. New DCA thread. I'm using, been getting paid with it. Oh, really? Let me see. What? Oh, wow. What you doing here? Whoa. New DCA strategy. I see a lot of levels here and lines. This is what Crypto Panda just sent me. What the heck, man? What is this? Wow. I mean, hey, DCAing, if it works, that's all that matters. Wow, nice. Nice. Oh, are we going higher? Seems like we do. Let's take those highs out, you know. I still would like to see the 580s, but I'm gonna, if this one is reaching that level up there, I'm just going, I have to move my stop here. All right, I move my stop. Rich Goodwin, what's happening? Tomsabo, how are you Blue Masters doing since your payout? I'm doing great with the Bulenox, the Buell Masters. Thank you. DCA works on open 80% of the time. Just gotta avoid the trend day. Yeah, be careful. DCAing works on ranging. Scalp Master Crypto Panda, definitely. That's gonna be his new name, middle name or something. So yeah, I'm very happy with Bulenox, by the way. I must say I'm quite surprisingly happy with everything. The support is very helpful. Payout works. So no questions asked. So it's good. Long from 18445, 1 mini, same 101. Wow. Oh no, look at this. Now it's going back down. What is happening here? Why is it doing it? Every time I try to do some good entry, it's just goes back and takes me out. Go up and take out the highs. Come on, NASDAQ. We had a deal. Oh man. Chop City, profit taking, high resistance liquidity run. It's gonna take me out, man. Why not just straight run to the highs at 54? It's not even 54, so should be easy. Long from 45. 445. How you doing it, man? Long from those levels. 1 mini. Diamond hands, man. You have diamond hands. I'm telling you, it's diamond hands. That's what it is. That's what you have there. I moved on from Apex. All right. More like Lucky Scalper should trades. Now, if you're good in scalping, why not? Just continue doing that. That's all. That is all. All right. You say sometimes, yeah. Until they have black and white payout structure, yeah. I mean, imagine if Bulenox would grow just as big or bigger than Apex. I can imagine that after a certain point, when a prop firm like this would grow that big, they would implement some kind of rules to restrict payouts. I mean, they have to maintain a steady cash flow even by denying some payouts. I don't know. But I guess there would be some traders, so-called traders, who are letting some algorithms run on Quantower or NinjaTrader for algorithmic trading on the simulated accounts, and that is something they have to prevent, I guess, on simulated accounts. Just close your eyes and you won't see it going against you. That's cool. I'm gonna close my eyes. That's a good idea. Move to take profit trader. I want to build up the account with them because the daily payouts are absolutely great. It's like having your own ATM machine. So that's really great. Diamond hand in New York only. I don't know if it's gonna win. Maybe what I should do, and this is what I sold one, and I sold the first one, and this other one I am just going to keep it here because the first in first out rule, you know how it is. And if it starts to go crazy, I can still I can still do some things. I had to sell one if it wants to dump because it's a high resistance liquidity run. I don't like it. I don't like the whole way that the candles are printing. It's getting, you know, harder and harder for it to push, and it could be a meltdown, like boom, any second. Actually, I think I'm gonna close it. So there you go, I closed it. I just don't like this. I mean, it did multiple times today with me, the same exact thing, multiple times. Maybe it's gonna push through like a lightsaber, boom, just goes. But if not, then it's just gonna go down all the way, reprice down to the 470s, and that's it. So I needed to bank some of those profits because I gave back so much today to the market. You have to go again. No problem, Marco. Thank you for joining the stream. Hope to see you next time too. How many funded accounts can we have for Bulenox? You can have 10. 10, June. You can have 10 or 11. I think 10. But the thing is, for starting out, you can have 3. So you can add one more every time one of your funded account is reaching the safety threshold. You can do more evaluations and you can activate them, and they're going to be on your dashboard like pending. Every one of your past evaluation accounts are going to be there, and it's going to be saying pending. And every time one of your funded accounts is reaching above the threshold, they're going to be activated all the way up to 10. That's how it works. So you scale in to those funded accounts. Up 5K today. Reza, come on, let's go. Ah, dude. 1700. 3 accounts. Let me give you an applause. I think you deserve a great applause, everybody. And for everybody who made profits today. You guys are killing it, and I'm just... I'm just struggling. Congratulations there. Thank you so much, Reza. Have a great day. You too. That's how it's done. Yeah, we're stuck here in this range. Let's go look at the 5-minute. Going down for liquidity, I assume, again. And we're just stuck in this range, and the kill zone is technically over. So that's it for the AM session. I made a few hundred in a couple of accounts. Hey, nice. J-Man, one more applause to J-Man as well, and everybody, of course. Congrats, J-Man. And online safety too for having diamond hands. And everyone I left out. It's only me who's not making enough profits, guys. It's I mean, the whole week it was like super crazy. Look at that. Now it's going. Now it's going. Should be breaking through the 56 now, I think. What's the high here? 57. 57. Let's go. 57. Okay. I just need one small displacement to jump in to scalp the 57. Just one small displacement. That's all I need. It's Trading Star. Thank you. I'm good. I hope you're doing good too. How's everything? I hope you're feeling better, you know, after that little bit of a hiccup there. I hope you're doing good. All right. Displacement. I would like to see an up close candle with a long body. That's what I would like to see. A structure breaking candle. For example, this candle is closing in 20 seconds. I would like to see the next candle, boom, closing higher with a full body above this swing at 527. That's what I'd like to see. If I see that, I might go aggressively and just take out the 56, 57. That's what I'd like to see. You're still having hiccups. Mark is hitting me left and right. Hey, it's part of the game. It's part of the game. You know. We have to deal with that. That's why a trader is getting paid, because other people cannot take these hits. That's why we're getting trained for this. We're getting trained for this. All right, we might be having, so you see, this is kind of like a displacement that I'm liking. Jumped into a long on the 15 seconds. Scalping, change structure, not a strong one. Trying to go with this one up there. Super risky trade. Don't do this at home, obviously. If it go, I just don't. I can't believe this, man. Just can't believe this. This is what I do all day. All right, that's it. That's it. This is what I do all day. I go to drawdown, I back to profit. Back drawdown again, back to profit. Up and down, up and down. No. There's a limit of how far or how much I can do this all day with NASDAQ. If the market wants to do this, then obviously I can't do anything about that. I'm willing to do one last entry. One more, if it gives me an entry. If not, I'm just gonna walk away. Just like I said. Choppy day, yeah. Left and right. Yeah, Bassam, it's just if you see my balance up there, I mean, this is what happened since London with this account. Went down to 300, up to 500, down to 400, up to 5, down to 3. This is what I've been doing all day. All right, getting ready maybe for one more try, but there's nothing I see here that interests me. All right, F it. Last entry. I jumped into a long. Want it to go to the 55s. Stop is obviously way below. It's the trade, and this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it, guys. It needs to pump it like super fast. It needs to break. The 15 second is looking good. It's actually shifted nicely, the 15 second to bullish. I assume that the 55 level is a good level. I am not going, maybe I'm going to move my stop a little bit. If it trades to the 40s, I might going to move it. I don't know, but maybe I should let it breathe a little bit. All right, I'm gonna wait for it. Oops. Yeah, sadly. Salsa. Oh yeah, it is like a salsa. So I know you guys don't see me doing like this because this account that you see is dedicated to scalping with micros, and I want to see if I can make it to a funded account with this, only by trading like this with micros super aggressively. Yesterday was awesome. Yesterday was great. Today is just a struggle. It's just a full struggle. I am not touching my funded accounts because I blow one funded account today, but really don't tell anyone. And I made about 500 on another funded account, but that's it. I'm not trading my fundeds today because I'm on tilt. I just can't handle the emotional stress, and that's it. So all I need is this one to go up and take out that 55. I'm adding more. Actually 50, 450. Adding more to the trade. And it's going down, I guess. This was not technically that kind of DCAing. I added to a winner, but it turns into a loser. I move my stop a little bit lower, give some breathing space to it. If I zoom it out for you guys, it's gonna be more stressful, right? Look at this. I zoom it out and it's super stressful. Look at all these moves. It's gives me the freaks. Look at how crazy it moves. Take profit level, you guys can see it up there. All right. Let's go to the 50s. Oh no, it's not going. Man. It's not going, man. It's not going. It's just not going to the 50s. Not yet. But it will. It will. Well, my stop is at 150 bucks or something. So I move my stop a little bit. I added to the winner. I move my stop, and actually I think I'm gonna tighten up my stop if I have to. Yeah, so I'm using a tighter stop now. If it takes me out, it should be around $100, and then I'm done. And then I'm done with this. Damn it, it's gonna take me out, man. So the risk is so far mitigated. Most likely I'm gonna get back into a little bit of a drawdown for the daily balance. I should be down to about 300, 1,300-ish, but no more, and that is it. Jesus. This is the real entertainment, guys. Yeah, I know it is. I know, Trading Star. I know. Not many people can do it. That's true. How did you blow the funded account? Raging, revenge trading, oversizing, anger, fear. I went to the dark side, you know. I went to the dark side, fear, anger, revenge, FOMO, everything. Everything came together, and I fat fingered the button. And, you know, that's what happened. Oh no. Back to square one with this. I just don't know what the hell is going on anymore. It's gonna get down for more liquidity, so yeah. All right, and that's it. That's it, guys. I tried to go for it. I'm back down, actually a little bit of a drawdown. No more for this account. I abused it enough for today, so that's it. This market is total crazy. Total crazy. I have nothing to say about this. This is the point where I think that's it. It's just not worth to do it, you know. Anyway, it was a fun day. Basically lost a funded account, did 500 on another funded account, and this account is technically back to scratch, and that's it. All right, I think I can't continue like this, because obviously if I continue, I'm gonna do more crazy stuff. I tried this yesterday, was like, wow, everything. Today is not the day. But anyway, I think I'm gonna cut it here, and I would like to say thank you for everybody. I'll be back tomorrow in the London session as usual, and thank you so much for watching and you know, supporting. Be safe, because this market is, I don't know, maybe we're gonna see the bull run later, but thank you so much, guys, for being here and for everything. If you would like to support, use my codes. tomsabo works everywhere, you know, the best discounts, obviously. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget, tomorrow is the last day on Apex, I think. Anyway, thank you again. See you guys. Be safe. Love you all. Cheers, everybody.